Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca and I am sharing with you today an unboxing from Oraloa. This one I've actually had for a long time. I got busy. But this is the last painting from a shipment I got, I think in the summer. I'm pretty sure it was in the summer. But I did pick up a mystery painting from them. And yeah, I thought we'd have a look at what their mystery canvases look like in case you're planning to do a mystery one yourself. Just trying to get in it. I don't have any scissors next to me. So let me just rip this off. Oh, here we go. So this one is a round diamond painting. I'm not sure if it's still available. The mystery ones do tend to go, they don't tend to be like constantly available. But I did still want to do an unboxing on it so we can see what their actual mystery canvas is like. This one is a round painting, and I will just pop a link to Oraloa down below. If they do still have this painting, I will pop it down. Oh, we've got some escapee diamonds by the looks of it. I have diamonds floating. They look like a deep colour. Although some of them are in the toolkit. But you do get a toolkit in this painting. You do get tweezers, a pen with a multi-placer, and then all sorts of other little gadget things. But we have like a coaster type thing, and then a cardboard coaster, a sticker. Say we have a set of metal tweezers, a pen with a 3-placer. I'm going to keep these aside just in case they're from this painting. A white tray, a washi tape, an Oraloa washi tape, what looks like a 9-placer, a squishy for your pen, a pot of wax, and then we have another sticker. And then we have the painting. I want to see what the painting's like. Oh, so the painting is all black and white. So I know some other companies do it a little bit different. It does look like the diamonds potentially have come out of here. But we do have some ABs as well. It looks like it's this colour. But it doesn't look like the bag has split or anything. But there's definitely a couple floating about. But what I'm interested in is the ABs. I like to see where any potential AB diamonds are, if I can find them in this black and white canvas. But yeah, we have 4 ABs. So I'm just going to pop these to the other side of where I film, and I will fight them back into a bag in a bit just in case I need them. But we get a little instruction sheet. You do also then get a sticker sheet, so it has 60 colours. 4 of them are AB, and as I say, this one is in round. It is by that person there, Maria. I can't even begin to pronounce their second name, but this one is called Starry Night, and it is 55.9 by 70 centimetres, and as I say, it's a mystery painting. So we may be able to see some of the design. Actually, it's not too bad. Sometimes you can see elements of it. Yeah, actually I can see some elements of it, but it doesn't match up with it being Starry Night. You can sometimes see some elements of a mystery painting when you take a step back. So if I can get the light off it. So can you see, you can sort of make out some things by the symbols, by the colour of the symbols. But I can't make out a huge amount. So it'll be quite interesting to do this one and see what sort of colours come through, what colours pop. It'll also be interesting when I get to do this one because it is round. So the edges around the diamonds will be white. But I still think it's going to shine. Yeah, I just want to be able to do it to know for sure. But we do have, say, 4 AB colours. So we have 5200, which is your pure white. 3756, which is sort of a tinge of green, I'd say. Like yeah, very, very light tinge of green or maybe blue. Then we have 906, which is a green. And we have 208, which is a purple, of course. So yeah, where are these? So we have 5200. I'm wondering if I'm going to be able to see where they are. It's a slash symbol. It's just a straight line symbol. Like a... Oh, it's here. So we have some around whatever this is, which... Oh, potentially it's a planet. I don't know. Planet or a spaceship, maybe? It's called Starry Night, so I'm guessing. But we have some AB around here. So we've got some highlights there. I'm not seeing anywhere else. It doesn't mean there isn't somewhere else. I'm just not seeing it. Then we have 3756, which is the very, very pale greeny blue. That one is a $sign. Again, I'm hoping this... Oh, look, I've just spotted a couple more whites that look like plus symbols. There's another one here as well. Another one that's just like a little plus symbol. Can I see any sort of dollar symbols? No, I can't see them for look. Oh, here we go. Yes, so we've got more on the outline of whatever this is here. This has also got, so it's got both of those colours in the outlines. Then we have 906, the green one, that is a swirl. Now, when I think green, I think grass, and therefore I think is it at the bottom, but it might not be. It's a swirl. And I'm not seeing, oh, it is. There's some in here. It's scattered about in here, whatever this is. But that's not enough for how many diamonds we have. So it must definitely be somewhere else. I've just spotted some more of the dollar symbol as well. Yeah, looking for these ABs is not an easy feat on this one. Because the symbols are black and white. But it's going to be so fun to do. Oh yeah, there's some of it up here. So there's just little snippets of it up here. Scattered again, which makes me think there's definitely got to be more for the amount of diamonds. And then we've got a arrow for, well, not a full arrow, but a half arrow for the purple. And can I see any of those? No. No, I can't. I know they'll be there, but I just can't see them. It is nice doing a mystery painting though, because with no colour, you really don't know. Like even now, like I don't know where I should be looking. Normally, I know I should be looking for purple, but there's no looking for purple because there's no colour. But that can also make it really fun when you actually do the painting because things start to come to life. I just saw one. Right, two. I can see two of them there. And that's it. Oh, there is a little bit more. So maybe it's in whatever this is here. Can you see there's sort of something there, but I can't quite tell what it is. Like, is it connected to this up here? Or is this something standalone? Or is that actually something next to something else? Do you get what I mean? It's very hard with a mystery to sort of... Sometimes with a mystery, when you look at them from a distance, like that could possibly be a house. Maybe. But if that is, then what is this? Because that looks like a chair. Has somebody left a chair outside a house? Doesn't look like a deck chair, it looks like an office chair. It's what makes them fun. This is actually a really fun one to try and guess what some of the bits are. Like, is that looks like a, I don't know, a laughing cow? Is it rolling on its back laughing? Do you know what I mean? Like, what is it? I don't know. Anyway, there's some of the purple in whatever this is. Has got some purple, so it's not going to be a tree unless it's a purple tree. That could potentially be some hills, but who knows? Depends what colours are in it, because as I say, down here there's some purple. And then of course we've got this, which could be a spaceship, could be a flying whale, could be anything. So anything else I can sort of make out? Because that looks like it could be a tree trunk, but then, no, that's got purple in it. There's actually purple up there as well, and there's a big long line of that purple down here. So unless it's a purple tree trunk, then maybe it's not a tree trunk. Who knows? Who knows? Anyway, that's going to be fun to do. So yeah, I thought I'd show you what a mystery painting from Oraloa looks like. So they use black and white symbols. I say this one is a round, so it will be interesting to see how this turns out when it's finished. I'm not sure when I'm going to get to do it, but I'm actually tempted to move it up a little bit, because I'm now really quite intrigued as to what this is. So maybe once I finish my current painting, I may need to push this one in front, just so that we can figure it out what it actually is. But yeah, if it's still available, I'll pop a link to it directly down below. If not, I'll just pop one to Oraloa in case you want to have a nosy. But I have had this one for a while. I've just not got round to doing unboxing on it. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.